Hello and welcome to What's New in Relativity 9.5, an overview. I'm Michael Hagan, Manager of Litigation Technology at Procopio, and in this video I'm going to give a quick overview of the new and improved version of Relativity. Version 9.5 offers some interesting and hopefully very useful innovations to aid you in visualizing your data. You'll notice that the initial home screen will look a little different, so hopefully this video will help ease your way into the new look and feel. You will log into Relativity the same way as you did before. After entering your username and password, you come to the welcome screen. Please use the esiprocessing@procopio.com email address when seeking Relativity support. This screen is also sometimes used to make global announcements regarding updates and potential Relativity maintenance downtime. After you successfully log in, you should see your list of available cases. Click on the case name you want to work with. Now you are at what we will call the home screen. Note the folder, field tree, saved search, and cluster icons have moved from the bottom of the screen to the top. The folder pane is the default. Somewhat hidden in the folder icon is this drop-down, which is where you can select folders and whether or not to include its subfolders. You will also notice a new section here, which is where you will initiate searches. We'll focus more on creating and saving searches in greater detail in another video. You can collapse and expand both the folder and the search panes if you need more screen real estate. Moving down the left side, you'll see this Auto Run Search slider. When this switch is turned on, every time you add a new search condition, the search results will auto-update. When the switch is turned off, Relativity will wait until you've built your entire search, then run it. I usually leave it turned on, but it's entirely a user preference. Next to the Auto Run switch is the Item Selection box, which works pretty much the same as before. Next to it is the Mass Operations button. Mass operations are permission-based and will be covered in yet another how-to video. Next to the Mass Operations button is the Save Search icon. Here you can save a search that you currently have running. This is a bit different from prior versions in that you are now encouraged to create your search from the home screen, then save it only as necessary. More on this later. Let's move back up to the top of the screen. Here, as you had before, is the Document View selection box. Most people leave this on all documents, but you should explore switching these views, which will change the displayed column information and perform some auto-searching depending on the specific task at hand. Next to the View selection box is the Related Items selection box. This is different from prior versions. This controls whether your currently displayed documents includes related items, such as email family members, also known as email parents and child attachments. Continuing across the top is a new Add Widget button. Widgets are essentially pivots which can be displayed as bar, pie, or line charts. More on widgets later. Next to the Add Widget button is the Dashboard Selection drop-down box. Dashboards are saved arrangements of widgets. This is a key change with Relativity 9.5. You'll see how dashboards and widgets can be used to visualize your information in another how-to video. Next to the Dashboard drop-down is the Sampling button. Here you can apply either statistical, percentage, or fixed number random sampling to your current document list. Turning filters on and off is the same as in prior versions of Relativity, except now you have more advanced filter capabilities built right into the filter boxes. When a filter is applied to your current document list, they show up on the left as search conditions. This will help alert you if a filter is applied and will also allow you to turn the filters on or off or make them part of a saved search for later use. Filters can be very useful in assisting in culling the data and allow you to pinpoint the information you are looking for. You'll also notice that the items per page has been moved from the bottom right to the upper right corner of the screen. And finally, down here in the bottom right corner is a simplified total items indicator. No more having to add the next 5,000 records. Well, that's a quick overview of the home screen in Relativity 9.5. Be sure to watch other What's New videos in this series to learn how to create better searches, how to use widgets and dashboards, how to use advanced index searching, and other useful tips and tricks when using Relativity. Thanks for watching.